Do you want to create a perfect poster? Many are struggling to design one that engages the audience. Hi, this is Praveen from Picmaker. In this tutorial, we'll see how to design quality posters that turn heads. Hang on till the end and I'm gonna share 5 actionable tips that will add more value to your next poster design. Sign in or sign up to Picmaker, a do-it-yourself design software that lets you create unique designs in minutes. This is the dashboard where you can get your design started. Use the search bar to quickly find the required design category. In this case, we need a poster design. Type poster and the search bar suggests the right design category with the dimension. The days are gone when you need to memorize these dimensions to create a perfect design. Click on it and it's taking us to the templates page. The templates page is filled with colorful and perfectly designed posters that cater to all your design needs. Be it a self-defense class poster or a poster for a Valentine's Day party, we have everything for you. Choose one that serves your purpose. This is a workspace where we can customize our poster. Let's begin by changing the year. Double-click on a text to edit. Let's customize the other information like the date and the website. We can also change the color scheme and the objects in the design in just a couple of clicks. On the right side, you'll notice the Add button. It is built with artificial intelligence to suggest different designs in a few clicks. Let's click on the Add All button. As you can see, the design is completely changed. Click on the Add button repeatedly until you get your desired design. Now that our design is ready, it's time to download. Click on the download button at the top right. You can download it in 3 different file types. Isn't it easy to design an event poster with Picmaker? Come on, let's move on to the next poster design. Enough being serious. Let's create a funny wanted poster for your friend. On the dashboard, you'll notice the design categories below the search bar. Find poster and click on it. Here in the workspace, we've got an empty slide. Yes, we are going to design a wanted poster from scratch. Don't worry, you're not going to break a sweat. It's time to start with the background. Click on the background in the sidebar and search paper. This paper texture looks good. Click on it and it will be added to the slide. Let's play with text now. Click on text in the sidebar and add a heading. Double click on the text to customize it. Find a relevant font that suits the poster. Add some objects to spice it up. You can change the color of the object by clicking on the square box at the top. You can duplicate an object by clicking on this icon. Add the secondary font which is similar to the existing font in the slide. Double click on the text to customize. You can upload a picture by clicking on the upload section in the sidebar. Once the upload is done, click on the image and it will be added to the slide. You can crop the image by clicking on crop at the top. Scale it up or down based on your requirement. You can use the filters to spice it up. Next, add your friend's name. Okay, what are we missing now? Yes, the reward. I'll leave this to you. It can be creative and fun. Yes, designing a poster can be fun. Let's switch back to the serious mode and design a missing poster. Just like the wanted poster, we are going to design the missing poster from scratch. You know the drill. Here is an empty slide with a poster dimension. You can add the background from the background section in the sidebar. But if you are planning to print the poster in black and white, adding a background is not necessary. Let's start with the text. Click on the text section in the sidebar and add a heading. Double-click on the text to edit. You can change the font by clicking on this drop-down menu. Red is the preferred color for this text as it catches more eyes. Upload the image in the upload section. Click on the image to add to the slide. Add another text for the name. You need to add a call to action. A call to action is basically what do you want the people to do if they have seen the dog in the poster. You can also add a reward at the bottom. If you want to print it in color, this red would be prominent. But if you want to print it in black and white, you don't need to worry about the color of the text. Once the design is ready, download it by clicking on the download button at the top right. In no time, you can design a missing poster effortlessly. Let's move on to the next poster design. Sharing a festival poster with your friends and family shows how much you care about them. And designing a festival poster is not a hard nut to crack. Hop on to the Picmaker dashboard. Type festival in the search bar. Picmaker lists down all the festival posters which are created by professional designers. To filter a particular festival, you can use the same search bar. As you can see, we have all the Thanksgiving designs here. Click on a template that interests you. You can customize the design by clicking on the Matte button here. Once the design is ready, download it by clicking on the download button at the top right. We have covered 4 poster designs as of now. And yes, you can create your own in a matter of minutes. As promised in the beginning of the video, here are the tips to add more value to your next poster design. The text on the poster should be readable from a distance. Nobody cares to come closer and read it. Choose legible typography with fairly big font size. Add a clear call to action. Call to action is what your audience should do after consuming your poster. You need to pay more attention to it since it yields the desired outcome. Next to text, images play a major role in turning heads. An intriguing image would do the job perfectly. Use colors to your advantage to stand out from the crowd. Some colors like yellow and orange attract eyeballs. Understand the color psychology to design an engaging poster. Know where the poster will be located. Customizing the poster content based on the location helps you to sync with your audience. Hopefully this video will help you start designing an engaging poster. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.